wash it.
Hi, my love.
Downstairs? Downstairs? Boy, downstairs?
No, here.
Wearing
No, Dave,
Romars
because
wearing
it's gonna be so hard
barong
for you to move
Tagalog.
again. You're gonna
Barong
get stuck to it.
Tagalog.
When we say go, you're gonna be like, wait.
Yeah. Bendim yan. Uy.
Dere mo, Bibi, oh.
Demian, mag-wear ka na ng sweater.
Bakit? I didn't listen to Grandpa. He asked me to buy the red one. I say no. Puro red na lang.
Pogi.
No, you don't need to button that one up.
Pogi. Damien. Ahiya. Andito kami sa bahay. Sa bahay-bahay.
Love, ano? What time are we planning to go there, love? Mag-aayos ka pa dun, right? What time?
Barong-barong na sila. Magbarong-barong. Magbarong-barong. Pogi na, pogi.
But then,
Kasi dark naman siya.
Yung don't forget your show lang.
Parang mag si Papa.
Baka makalimutan.
you show me.
Tapos may pin ka doon? Pang ano?
May pin ka?
Wala.
Okay, tawag yan.
May pin? Ay, may pin pa.
Maraming pin. Sana hindi ko maano kung nasa. Maliliit mo na.
Pang ano doon sa ano mo, sa show mo.
Ano, gamihan na.
Let's go.
Let's go. James, let's go, James.
Let's go.
Si Damien sa imo yung boy.
Listen nyo.
Oh, let's go.
Damien, let's go.
Uy, sus, let's go. Wala pa akong sapatos. Buang na.
Wait, I don't have my shoes.
Here, baby.
Pogi ah.
Hindi pa nakita yung black box niya.
Punta kami sa wedding.
Let's go.
Ay, nagsuot pa ako no. Oh, cute cute naman ang ano nila. Christmas decors. Ayan, punta tayo sa mass wedding. Okay, see you there.